Hello viewers and welcome to a new Tiger Workshop video. Today I will be taking a look at the 3018 Pro CNC machine. This CNC machine only costs $250 and it looks like this after I finish building it. The 3018 Pro comes with 10 engraving bits and a laser. So here I'm just building the machine. I started out with the bottom frame, then started to work up. The 3018 Pro has 3 axes, the X, Y, and Z axes. This bottom plate can move as well. After building the frame in, I connected the control board with all the motors, so then it should be able to control the motors once I hook it up with a power source and a computer. The software that comes with this 3018 Pro is called GRBL and it reads .nc files. Right now you can see it moving up and down, which is the Z axis. The plate at the bottom controls the Y axis, and when this moves left and right is the X axis motor. The USB that comes with the 3018 Pro has the software for the 3018 Pro itself. The arrow keys here control the X and Y, and the up and down right next to it is actually the Z axis. Now I will open up a new file, and this basically imports a .nc file that it can read into the program, and it will tell you where it will engrave and where it will start at. There's many softwares for engraving out there, but the one that I mainly use right now is called Fusion 360. The lines I'm scrolling through here is the actual code for a .nc file. Here is a quick time lapse of the CNC machine creating a dragon. Because of the detail, it definitely took a while for the machine to engrave out a dragon. An estimation is about maybe 5 to 6 hours. This is what the CNC machine looks like when it's running at normal speed. As you can see, the 3018 Pro can capture a lot of the details. All the individual scales can be printed out, and you can see, compared to a pencil, that this is indeed very, very small. Anyways, that is all I have for you today, and thank you for watching Tiger Workshop. Please like and subscribe, that would help out a lot. Thank you.